Bhaskaracharya going to present assembly. Now may I call Swara Karatkar to say thought of the day. Good morning everyone. Thought of the day. What you do today can improve all tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, Swara. Now may I call Asmi Samartha to say word of the day. Good morning everyone. Today's word of the day. Tangible. The spelling of tangible is T-A-N-G-I-B-L-E. The meaning of tangible is thing that we can touch. Second, predict. The spelling of predict is P-R-E-D-I-C-T. The meaning of predict is to say something happened in our future. Thank you. Thank you, Asmi. Now, may I call Nidish Bankar to say news headline. Good morning, everyone. Today's news headline. First, India beat England in 2023 World Cup. Second, ISRO launched Gaganyaan and it is success. Thank you. Thank you, Nidish. Now may I call Mahesh Mandaramekar to ask GK question.
Good morning, all of you. Today's GK question. First, which is the strongest currency in the world? Wrong. Which is the strongest currency in the world?
शायद
Wrong. 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 Right answer is Kuwaiti dinar. Second, in which country is Punta Regulara is situated? In which country Punta Regulara is situated?
किसी को पता है आंसर? राइट आंसर बताओ.
Right answer is Portugal.
है क्या लेकिन ये? क्या है?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you, all of you.